Hey everybody, it's Danny here, Danny Reviews. And if you're looking for a good lemon juicer, squeeze those juices out of those lemons or limes, definitely check this one out. This is a stainless steel, heavy duty lemon squeezer. What I love about this one is that it has like this little filtration here to filter out pulp or seeds, and the construction is very durable. You're not going to collect any odors on this material. Cleans up nicely by hand or it's dishwasher safe. Has a really nice ergonomic handle too as well. And it makes, because of the way it's designed, it makes actually squeezing those lemons, you don't have to put as much strain or effort into doing it. So I do have a half lemon here, so it's great for like making lemonades, things like that. So we can get our lemon in. Actually go this way, and we can get it over our cup. And look at that. I mean, I'm barely pushing, and this is going to allow you to get all the juice out of a half of a lemon. I'm still going, and again, because it's coming out of here, it's blocking those seeds or pulp from coming out. So there you have it, and then you can open this up. Take the lemon out, that's fully squeezed. If you look in there, it's just pure juice. There's no seeds and very, very little pulp. So if you're looking for a lemon squeezer or lemon juicer, definitely check this out. This is something you're gonna wanna add to your kitchen drawer. And a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.